Matthew will show you to your table. Your names, please?
Yes, I'm Henry. Henry Hart. And this is my girlfriend, Bianca. Smathers.
Italo Corvaseri.
Ray? No, I'm Henry Hart, teenager.
Sir, I'm Henry Hart.
Wait, isn't he your boss from Junk and Stuff?
Yes.
No, I'm not. I'm in 9th grade, dude.
Pardon me, where's the ladies' room?
I know you're not a girl.
Prove it.
That's disgusting. What are you doing?
These kids.
You don't have to do that.
Why are they here pretending to be us?
Why are you here pretending to be us?
Yes, son.
Stop it. Look. They did this because Ray's been like dying to come to this restaurant for years.
Well, now I feel all bad.
No, you shouldn't.
But I'm not even that into steak.
What?
Yeah, I was gonna order the chicken.
Oh, no.
Ray, you're embarrassing me.
Oh, I'm embarrassing you.
Yes.
Or is it your chicken-loving girlfriend there?
It's you.
Boys.
You're a boy.
Prove it.
Ray, please go home. Bianca and I are...
No, it's okay. Seriously, I don't care that much about eating here, and your boss really does, so just have dinner with him.
You sure?
Sure, she's sure. Look at her. That's what sure people look like.
Yeah, I'm sure.
All right, man. Looks like we're having dinner here together.
And me too?
No, the reservation is only for 2.
Oh. Okay. No problem. Balloons!